So here's my next ordeal on the old pooper Campershell. That seal I think might be good. I think. Is it touching it? Maybe. Anyway, before I make you guys dizzy, see that? See it right there? Now, I don't know if that'll be fixed after I take this off and put it back on, but it's probably going to go in the same damn spot it's in now. So, I got to fix this gap right here. Otherwise, rain will come in. So, of course, they don't sell this in black. I got some old weather stripping for a door. Kind of a door. Campershell door. This side looks like it's pretty good. The other side, not so much. So, can't have rain getting in and ruining all my shit. So now I gotta do that. Look at that ghetto looking shit. Look at it. Looks like a big ball of turds. Looks like somebody cocked it. Cocked it. You know what? That's nothing a little 97-cent rattle can black spray paint can't cover. Shit. Because I'd rather it look like shit than rain on my shit. Know what I'm saying? Gotta have these grounds back here too. And that's the positive and negative coming from the alternator. I shouldn't have to take those out. I think this side is okay. Except for I notice, yeah, you can kind of see up in there. That's cracking. Look at that. It's holding my window on. I tell you what, man. But at least I got this brand new, I think that was like $15 Springer. We'll get a little spray paint, see what happens. I mean, you know, I got a flashlight shine on it, so it's worse, but not too bad. But I did remember I got about 30 screws back here or more. Maybe for probably 50. Because I got to take these boards off, see? I recycle shit. The side ones, yeah, they're a pain. It's not happening, but these back ones, yep, getting saved. Oh yeah. Also, I got this netting stuff, because this, you know, Campershell, camper. That's probably coming down. Probably getting ripped off. You know, I thought I was close to taking the box out, but I was actually wrong. I actually had to get this back board out of here. And I didn't have to take the back boards off of that, which luckily I didn't glue them. Normally I glue them. I think I'm going to leave these screws in. And they're holding on a 2x4 there. They kind of held things steady. Or kind of put my V going on there. But I'm going to leave those screws in there. To hopefully, when I drill a hole on each side, it'll help keep it all together. And hopefully lift it out of here like it did my birch box. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Scary stuff. But, yeah. Man, that looks bent. Man, why this thing's gotta be bent? Oh, fancy black. Looking much better. Drip some down my truck. And check this guy. That guy. Snail over there. For some reason I get snails in here. I don't know why. So yeah. I'm going to be sad to lose that back window. Look at all. I got 3 Slamology stickers on there. 2015, 16, 17. Got my At Potato sticker. I got another Stony Box sticker. But my DB Drag and Base Race and all those stickers are going to be gone. But I'll have a fresh back window to play with. I got me another Stony Box sticker to stick on here. And that's what's important to me because my boy Stoney helps me a lot with this box. With all my boxes. So always try to show support for people that help you. Don't forget where you came from and who helps you when you're, you know, can't do shit yourself as good as they can. So yeah,